Hi everybody! As I invited my friends pâtissiers again at my house, I was just wondering, what can I prepare for the lunch? I just couldn't think of anything, but CHASHU, that came up in my mind. That's gonna help something. So let's get started anyway. The ingredients are, of course, the pork, ginger, green onion, red pepper, garlic, and the Chinese spice, hakkaku, star anise. The condiments are soy sauce, sake, sugar, and water. Cook the block of meat. And make it nicely brown all around. Put the chopped green onion. Smash the ginger. Sliced garlic, chili peppers, and star anise. Then water, sake, sugar, and soy sauce. Put a lid on. When it's boiled, take all the lye to make it clear. Again, put the lid on. Turn the meat around once in a while. Then put a lid on to cook it for about 60 to 90 minutes. You can put it into a container with the sauce to keep it in the fridge for about a couple of days. Yaki butaを作ってみました。
すごい。やば。美味しそう。美味しそう。やば。たけのこご飯めっちゃ美味しそうだと。もっと細いやつ。ねえ、春の。
ポシェ邪魔じゃない？
いや、全然ダメですよ。春のご飯だね。
いただきます。
いただきます。
美味しそう。
火めっちゃ美味しい。うまっ。うまい。
美味しい？
うん。
As I was hungover in the morning on the day, I just couldn't film when they were eating CHASHU. But obviously, they enjoyed it. そういえば私、そのたけのこご飯まだ味見してないんだった。
あ、うまい。
美味しいです。
ちょうどいい。
You can also use it for fried rice. You just cook rice and all the ingredients you like. Of course, I use the CHASHU pork in it. And add the sauce while you're cooking. Mix well. And when it's done, you can also put the sauce on the top of it. The fried rice immediately becomes Chinese style. Please give a try. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Please look forward to the next video coming up with my pâtissiers friends making melon pan.